Hi guys, Asik here. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, then please subscribe. In this video, we're going to look at how to get our website live by using FTP FileZilla. It's a simple tutorial on how to make your website live. So once you've got the files, you just need to upload them to the server and then your website will become live. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. The first thing you need to do is download FileZilla. I'll leave the link in the description below. This is the FileZilla page. Simply click on download FileZilla client and a pop-up box will appear, and just follow the instructions and it will be downloaded. Once it's downloaded, this is the home page for FileZilla. You need to enter your hostname, username, password and port. Go into your cPanel account and look for FTP accounts. At the bottom there will be your default account details. Click on configure FTP client and copy the username, hostname and the port number across. Username, hostname or server name. Your password should be your default password that you created in your cPanel account. Enter the port number as 21 and click connect. You should now be connected. Sometimes the hostname doesn't work, so you have to use your IP address. Go back to your hosting account and look for your IP address. Copy this across and paste it into the host box. Try port 21 and click connect. And now we have been connected to the server. You have to always install your files on public HTML folder. I already have a site on here, but just for this purpose I'm just going to show you how to install the files. Simply drag across and place them in the folder. Your site should now be live. Thank you for watching.